Hello, and Assalamu alaikum. Here we are again, bright and early Monday morning with our sixth episode of Bas 5 Minute. जब हम ये recording करते हैं, which is usually on Fridays, I often start thinking about this, कि maybe Thursday को, maybe Wednesday को, कि हमने Friday को क्या चीज़ हम आपके साथ share करेंगे. And I always feel कि जब Friday morning आता है, तो what I've decided has changed. And it feels like because of I've heard something, या मैंने कहीं कुछ पढ़ा है, या कोई रील देखी है, या कोई पेशेंट से, या अपने फ्रेंड से, या किसी फैमिली मेम्बर से कोई बात हुई है, and it just connects in a different way. And I feel that I want to wait till Friday to think about what feels right for that day. It's very much like कि जब मैं दूसरे दिन के लिए डिसाइड कर रही होती हूँ कि कल मुझे क्या पहन के जाना है काम पे, I always decide that morning. I know जो थोड़ा rushed भी होता है, and I keep thinking that maybe if I were to plan it a night earlier, it might make it easier. But I just feel that what is the mood of the day? What is the thing to do today that makes more sense? What is the color I want to wear today? And it just feels like I'm more connected to that day, to that feeling of in the here and now what feels right. So इसी तरह today I felt that maybe I wanted to talk a little bit about Memento Vivere. आपने सुना होगा पिछले कोई 4 episodes में I've been ending my episodes with this Latin phrase Memento Vivere, जिसका मतलब है remember to live, जीना मत भूलिए, or live your life. And I thought that it might be a good thing to share with you, one, why it's so important for me, why I feel like we all should try to, or may try to, live by it and feel it. So Memento Vivere जो है, it's a part of 2 phrases. It's the second part of this sort of 2 concepts in Stoic philosophy. Stoicism के बारे में आपने शायद पढ़ा हो. Marcus Aurelius is the famous philosopher who is known to be the father of Stoicism. So a first phrase is Memento Mori, which is जो थोड़ा सा morbid है. It means remember that you will die, or death will come. Death will come no matter what, right? Inevitability of death. That's Memento Mori. And the idea of that is not a morbid one कि ये किस किस्म का phrase है कि हम सब ने मरना है, but more like कि जो हमें life दी गई है, it's transient. It's for a short time period, and we need to think about it as such. And then usi ka the flip phrase is Memento Vivere, which is remember to live. So jo bhi hame life mili hai, how are we going to live it, right? The idea is that because it is given to us in it's a finite amount of time, तो उस finite amount of time को हम कितना intimately फील करते हैं, वो ज़िंदगी गुजारते हैं, किस तरीके से उसको टच करते हैं, किस तरीके से उसके साथ हम इंगेज करते हैं और कनेक्ट करते हैं, जो एब्स एंड फ्लोज हैं ज़िंदगी के, जो राइट्स हैं, जो रॉन्ग्स हैं, जो ग्रीफ है, सैडनेस है, जॉय है, उसको हम फुल्ली कम्प्लीटली किस तरीके से फील कर रहे हैं. वी नो दैट एवरीवन विल डाई, बट आर वी लिविंग until we die? Are we living each day until death comes? So that is the idea of Memento Vivere. And usme, I think about 3 concepts. One is of engagement, कि हम actively, purposefully अपनी ज़िंदगी के साथ कैसे engage कर सकते हैं. So every morning we, as we start our day, or every evening as we are thinking about our day, did we just allow life to happen to us, or we participated actively? So in active engagement. The second is one of gratitude. That gratitude, I feel, is the difference between how we look at life and what is happening in life with joy or despair. कि अगर हम gratitude के साथ कोई भी चीज़ करते हैं, शुक्र के साथ करते हैं, तो that means that we are feeling that no matter what life has brought, we are accepting it. And the third piece is one of agency, which is that we have a certain amount of agency. We can choose to live life a certain way, that we are choosing to live life completely and wholly. So that, I feel, is what we wanted to talk about today. Remember to live, next time when we meet with you, think about this week that, how is it that you engaged with life, and इस दौरान अपना ख्याल रखें, take care of yourself, and inshallah we'll meet next week. खुदा हाफिज़.